Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread with Alfredo sauce. I would also like to thank all my new subscribers for the support. You guys rock. Let's get started.
Okay, we have a parsley here. We're going to chop it really well. We also have our bread ready to go, and Parmesan cheese, chili flakes, and garlic. We have heavy cream, butter. I'm going to cut this little piece of this bread, and we're gonna cut maybe 2-3 pieces. Maybe this one, this two, that's three, and we're also gonna slice it in half. There you go. Add our butter to our pan to a medium-high heat. We're gonna melt it, and we're gonna start doing our Alfredo sauce. Then we're gonna add our garlic, just a little bit, just a tiny bit more, and we're gonna saute our garlic till golden brown. And then we're gonna add our heavy cream. Nice. We're gonna let it boil and reduce it a little bit. I'm gonna add our Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring it. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, and we're gonna add our butter, just in a low temperature. Wonderful. See, that so it looks really thick now. Now guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes just to spice it up a little. There we go. Okay, we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna add our butter, nice, along with the garlic, a little bit of chopped parsley, a little bit of chili flakes, guys. We're gonna mix it together really well. That's gonna be for our bread. There you go. We're gonna add it to our bread. Now we have our bread ready. We're gonna toast our bread in a medium-high pan. We're gonna just place it on a pan. Okay, we have our bread going. We're just gonna put a plate on top till it gets golden brown, guys. Not too long. There you go. Now look at that, guys. Nice golden brown. Beautiful, beautiful bread. Wow. Okay, guys. We're gonna add our Alfredo sauce in our bowl. Look at that thickness, guys. Wow. Just the way I like it. Now we cut our bread. Nice. Wonderful. Wow, look at that bread, guys. We're gonna add it to our tray. There you go. A little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, guys. Nice. A little bit of chopped parsley.
And this is how you make garlic bread with Alfredo sauce. Wonderful. Give it a shot. Wow, it's amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.